हेलो गाइस, थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग हियर ऑन माय चैनल। यू आर वाचिंग द इंग्लिश स्पोकन हब। माय नेम इज सत्येंद्र रावत और जैसा कि आप जानते हैं इस चैनल के माध्यम से मैं हमेशा आपके लिए बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सेशंस लेके आता हूं। तो ऐसे ही कुछ आज मैं इन बच्चों के साथ लेके आ चुका हूं जो कि हमारा 7 से 8 वाला बैच है। और आज ये बच्चे एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक पे बात करने वाले हैं जो कि आज ग्रुप डिस्कशन होने वाला है और टॉपिक रहेगा आपका इज ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन इफेक्टिव फॉर स्टूडेंट्स और नॉट। सो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव स्टडीड? कितने लोगों ने पढ़ के आए हैं? ये रेज योर हैंड। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। ऑलमोस्ट सभी ने पढ़ा है इस चीज़ के बारे में। तो मैं जस्ट आप लोगों से पूछना चाहूँगा, ठीक है, इज ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन इफेक्टिव फॉर स्टूडेंट्स और नॉट? हु वुड लाइक टू स्पीक फर्स्ट? रेज योर हैंड। Okay, so I will start from this girl. What's your name?
My name is Rani.
Rani, what's your opinion about online education? Is effective or not? If you are speaking about offline education, then you can. Otherwise, you have other option. Okay, you can please speak.
So, in my points of view, offline education is better than online education because if we take offline classes, then we understand all thing properly. And if as you know that when lockdown
was implemented,
lockdown was implemented.
हाँ, no problem. You can translate. जब lockdown लगा था, when it was implemented.
When lockdown is implemented, so almost half of students are not understand properly in online classes because when they have doubt, so they not ask again. Ask again, then भैया वो अपनी चीज़ों को मन में रखते थे।
हाँ, they had their doubts in their mind.
They had their doubts in their mind. So in my points of view, offline education is best because we go school and we make friends. And in a school there is very भैया activities होती रहती हैं।
हाँ, we indulge in so many activities.
We indulge in so many activities.
Participate, you can also say that we participate in so many activities.
And we participate activities like dance, singing, art, race, etc.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. So next, who would like to speak? Please raise your hand. Okay, and okay, pass the mic to that person. What's your name?
Myself Suraj Kumar.
Suraj Kumar. What's your opinion about this topic? Is online education effective for students or not? As you know that the topic is very clear and she has spoken so many things. I'm completely impressed. I'm super excited about this particular group discussion. You guys are very, very studious and hard working. Continue please, Suraj.
Sir, I am totally agree with Rani. The offline education is more better than online education because of in offline education people have a end-to-end face-to-face conversation with the teacher, and if I have any doubts and any queries, I can go and ask with my teacher. Also, when we are study in offline mode, when there was a build a emotional connection with student and teacher, and the offline study cannot make this kind of connection and this kind of emotional attachment with teacher. And the online teacher is also know everything about me, and he's know my strength and my weakness, so he's teach us with understanding my weakness and my strength. But in offline teacher, they only try to complete their syllabus, but they cannot connect it with the students and as offline teacher does.
Okay, and next, who would like to speak? Suraj, you spoke mind blowing. Great. Who would like to speak? Pass the mic please. What's your name?
My name is Madhuri.
Okay, Madhuri. Okay, so what's your opinion?
according to me, online and offline both type of study is well, and but in my point of view, I'm always favor with offline studies. But in here I would like to tell you about online classes. Online classes is also very well, because in online classes I also take online batch, and that is very best batch for me, because in this batch all over the India's teacher came here to study teaching. And then in the online batch, we are anywhere, and we take our classes, and anything can't interrupted here. But some students are not take the online classes properly, and that's why we don't clear our exams, and we don't completed our syllabus etc. But I'm always जैसे कि मैंने पहले कहा था,
As I said in my previous statement,
I'm always favored with offline studies, because we always interact with our teachers. But when we talk about online classes is very good, because of when we not मैं अगर हमारी फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन अच्छी नहीं है तो,
if our financial condition is not good,
if our financial condition is not good, फिर भी
nevertheless
we take our online batch and we studied properly. And it is very good, because when we take offline batch, when we are present here, we take a lecture. But when we are studied online mode, we are take हम लोग कई बार वो वीडियोस देख सकते हैं.
हाँ, we can watch the same video so many times.
We can watch the same video so many times. And when we talk about our students in India, so many students are clear their exams, and this is very high exams like UPSC, NEET, JEE exams. They are clear. So many students are clear these type of exams through the online mode studied, and their financial condition are not good. That's why they take online classes, and in the online classes it is very good, because of I was always मैं खुद भी उस चीज़ के I also a example of this, and that's why I choose online मैंने इसीलिए online के बारे में बोला, online study.
That's why I chose the topic of online.
That's why I choose the topic of online studies. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Who would like to speak? What's your name?
My name is Krishna,
Okay, Krishna.
and in my point of view, offline classes better than online classes, because I example of online classes, online classes, because lockdown time start online classes, and morning time like 8 a.m.
Okay.
Start online classes, and some student came and some student not came online classes.
हाँ, आपका मतलब है कि सुबह अगर क्लास चालू होती थी तो कुछ बच्चे आते थे, क्लास अटेंड करते थे, और कुछ उसमें से नहीं आते थे. बहुत बढ़िया एग्जांपल है.
And teachers didn't complete
their homeworks,
any
task and
homeworks. और भैया क्या ना कुछ इशू होता था तो वो समझ में भी नहीं आता था ऑनलाइन.
हाँ, queries. If the students have any kind of query, they were unable to get the proper answer. in online class?
If students in our query, some students not
not
clear.
हाँ not clear there जो भी है हाँ बोलो.
and start exams, online exams, and मेरे टीचर सामने बैठी होती थी फ़ोन के.
She was in front of mobile only.
She was front of mobile only, and student are cheating.
They were cheating.
They were cheating, and teacher didn't.
No problem. Okay, you can pass. Thank you. Who would like to speak?
Thank
Bobby. Okay. Now Bobby, tell me. We have very less time. ठीक है. Within 2 minutes or 3 minutes, you have to complete your statement, your speech, whatever you have studied about the topic. Okay.
I favor in offline class because of suppose one point is that suppose in one time internet issues coming in your mobile phone, and on that time you take online class. On after that you can't popularly your class is disturbed, and you can't understand on that time your teacher learn many things, and go to again, and you can't again ask because of on that time you take a online class. The teacher said that you can't speak because this is a online class. You can't open the mic and close your mute your mic, and students say that I study in online class, but because in offline class better than online class. In offline class you can take 1 hour and you learn many things like clear all chapters and your doubts clearly, and after that in offline class you can meet your friends and meet your teacher and face to face. After that you can learn many discipline and learn many things. This is my favor of offline class.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. दीजिए मुझे माइक. ठीक है, हम इस क्लास को, इस सेशन को, इस ग्रुप डिस्कशन को यहीं पे समाप्त करते हैं. ठीक है, और इसी तरीके से आप सभी लोगों को और भी मेहनत करनी है जिस तरीके से अभी आप लोगों ने बोला. ठीक है, हमारे पास जो भी समय है और जो भी हमने समय दिया है, अब दूसरा बैच आने वाला है, इसलिए ये क्लास अभी मैं यहीं पे ख़त्म करता हूँ. जो बाकी के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, ठीक है, इन लोगों से भी मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा, आप लोग भी पार्टिसिपेट करें. रेज योर हैंड एंड देन ज्वाइन द क्लास और सेशन और ग्रुप डिस्कशन, सो दैट यू कुड ऑल्सो इम्प्रूव योर इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय बाय.